Welcome, welcome, welcome. Morning, class. I'm glad you could join me today. So for this week, we're going to look at a lot of measurement ideas. And if you are brand new, don't forget to follow, share, and give me a like. This is a new journey for me, and I'm coming along. I don't have all that I need, like a beautiful camera as yet. So, but we're going to get there eventually. So today we're looking at perimeter, and perimeter is one of those math concepts that's pretty simple. That's why I started with it as we move along to different types of measurements. So perimeter basically is just the distance around a shape. It doesn't matter what the shape is. It could be a square, it could be a rectangle, it could be a house, it could be a trapezoid, it could be any old shape, no matter what. The distance around that shape is called a perimeter. And it's pretty easy to find. All you need to do is add all the measurements. And pay close attention to the unit of measurement when you do your exam. Because if this is 40 yards, and if you're doing a multiple choice, they may trick you and say 40 feet. So make sure you're watching the units so that you match up. This would be 40 yards. This side would be 60 yards. This side is 30 yards, and this side is 20. If I am here, let me draw a picture of me. I am right here. That's my little head and my little feet. And I walk this way. I just walked 30 yards, then 20 yards, then 40 yards, 60 yards, and I'm back. That is the perimeter. Obviously, to get the perimeter for the entire shape, you need to add all the sides. 40 plus 20 plus 60 plus 30. And that's finding the perimeter. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So the distance around this shape is 150 yards. These are all yards, don't forget. Because I remember when I used to take exams and stuff, the choices would be 40 feet, 40 yards, or 150 feet, 150 yards, just in an attempt to steal a point from you. So make sure that you're paying really close attention. Let's try another one. It's pretty easy, and it doesn't matter the shape. Here is a square. Okay, if I told you this side was, well, a square is pretty tricky. So if this side is 10, even though it doesn't look it, all the sides are equal in a square. So this would have been feet, 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 feet. So this one is a pretty easy one. We didn't have to do much. 10, 10, 10, 10. Because remember, to be a square, all the sides are equal. So this would be 40 feet. That is the perimeter of the shape. If you had a shape, let's do another one. That one was too easy. Sometimes it looks like a square, but it's not. You could go down a little bit. Kids may confuse it. So this is some sort of a rectangle. So if this side was 10, then this side was 10. And if this side was 15, and this side was 15. Because as we know, opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So again, I need to find a perimeter. I don't really get caught up with that. I add the numbers. I'm here. I walk this way. I walk that way. I walk there. And I'm back to the beginning. My perimeter is 15 plus 15 plus 10 plus 10. You can add it like that, or you can say 15 and 15 is 30. 10 and 10 is 20. 30 and 20 is 50. Or if you're dealing with a youngster, feet, I didn't put my feet. You could put feet, you could put yards, you could put inches. Doesn't matter what unit, but you have to be consistent in your response. 5 plus 5 is 10. Put the 0 down, carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 50 feet. Yay, let's try one last one, because perimeters are pretty easy. Let me see if I can create a wacky shape. It doesn't matter. It could be a very skinny triangle, you know, really skinny. All right. Maybe an isosceles. Let's see, this side is 20, this side is 20, and this side is 10. If I'm here, I start walking all the way up, I start walking all the way down. What is the perimeter of this shape? Again, this would be, I'm going to call it inches, inches, and inches. So again, I put my numbers on the side, 20, 20, and 10. These are all inches. So it would be 20 plus 20 would be 40 plus 10, 50 inches. All right, so the perimeter of my triangle is 50 inches. Pretty easy. Give it a try. Give me a comment, give me a like, give me a share, give me a follow, or subscribe. I'm still pretty new. Tell a friend, tell a kid. I'll be back tomorrow with another type of measurement. Thank you, guys.